Right, we're going to do a video today to show you how to remove this rear D-pillar on the Range Rover Sport. Now, we've had a go on the other side, and it went okay, apart from this little bit that broke off here. So there you go, Harry did it and pulled it off. So what you've got is, we'll have a look, but there's basically, I'll show you, there's some clips that sort of go in behind the glass here, and there's two metal clips that go on these little metal prongs here and here. So if you can you just show me that, and then you get off this pillar here, this sort of plastic, and this one here is a little bit scratched. If you look at it, yeah, you can see quite clearly there. So we're going to replace this one or wrap it or do something. So on the panel you can see these little clips that sort of go in behind the glass, and then you've got these two metal clips here on this back edge. So it's pretty clear that it needs to sort of go that way. The whole thing needs to pull off backwards. So Harry's going to have a go. So we pulled it a little bit that way, which is probably why we broke this bit off. So Harry's going to have a go. Right, let me get round this side, I reckon, Harry. So I reckon you just, I reckon you got to go, you almost want to get on this edge here, but you can't grip on a lot, can you? And give it a sort of tear. Oh, how's that going? And then it should pull out. Yeah, fight it off, Harry, go on. Right, and let's have a look. Did we do that without breaking it this time?
That's not snapped.
That's not snapped. We've got that bottom lug. I'm not sure we got that on. Now, where did the clips go? Oh, this has actually separated the panel, Harry. Oh. So that's actually got that panel there that we can stick that back on. So look, that panel there.
Two different sort of
two different sort of failure modes. Let me just have a look, Harry. That needs to go on that side. We need to bond that back in there. So there you go. Oh, there you go. So we'll get some Araldite or something on that. Yeah. So they're not dead easy, but they're not that bad to pull off. So there we go. That's the D-pillar panels removed on your Range Rover Sport. We will get and do the other pillar covers as well. Someone's asked us to do all the pillar covers because I think they got the same problem with scratching and what have you. So we'll try and work that out, but I'm not promising when we'll get that done. That's the D-pillar done for now.